I'm here in Sarajevo, and I will visit in 5 minutes Predrag Pašić. Predrag Pašić is a former top soccer player, top football player. He played in Germany, and Predrag Pašić stayed during the siege of Sarajevo in Sarajevo. He had the opportunity to leave it, but he stayed there. And he not just stayed there, he was founding a football school for children. So that children can play soccer, can play football beyond ethnic lines. And that was a fantastic story, and I have seen it on art in the great documentation of Eric Cantona about the football rebels. And yeah, I'm very happy that I can meet Predrag Pašić right now in the next minutes.
It's not too easy to be actor in movie.
It's for me the same way. I'm not used to it. But it's a special honor for me and a special pleasure to introduce you. And he is Predrag Pašić, and he has done such a fantastic work, and it's my pleasure and my honor to introduce you. And now it's your turn.
Thank you very much. It's also for me it's a pleasure because at first I must to say hello to all German people, because I played to VfB Stuttgart 3 years, and I spent very nice 3 years, and I had a great experience in living in Germany. And I'm happy 3 days before Jürgen Klinsmann was in the same place in this gallery, and I was so happy because I'm a very good friend with Jürgen, and we spent a lot of time talking about past and our playing days. There was a long time. First day in our school was before 20 years during the war, and in that 20 years have happened a lot of things. At the beginning, our school have other goals as today, because at the war and after the war we have goals to educate children not only in a football way. We after the war we at first opened computer schools of languages, and try to teach children other things. We try to help in education, because at the time education was very important. And today we are thinking about soccer, about talents in our school, and we try to find some talents, because we know that our children in Bosnia are very talented for a lot of things, and also there are a lot of talents for the football. And today we are very proud, because we have more than 40 boys who are professional players. We have in all selection of Bosnian team more than 10 players who play in different categories and ages, and we have players, international players who play abroad. And we have here also a professional player who play in Bosnia. But in that, all 11 children who passed the school normally can't be all professional players. Today we have, I saw a lot of doctors, a lot of architects, a lot of very, very good people in this country, in this town, and I'm very proud when I saw some architect or some very good and positive and success men who win in life, and because of that I'm very, very proud. I know that in our country there are a lot of hate, more, and a lot of nationalism, and our politicians speak in language of the hate, and it is very bad, but we will always speak with the language of the sport, with the language of the human things, and we have not too much and too big hope, but we must have hope for future.